Well, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Nonna Pina, hello. We're doing another episode here, Nonna Pina, and I'm seeing some things that we see often, I guess, in your cucina. Ricotta, parmigiano, and today we have a new friend. We have spinach. So, some salt. What are you doing with these ingredients, Nonna Pina? What are you making today?
Cannelloni.
Cannelloni, okay.
Ricotta.
Yeah, with ricotta, cheese.
Spinach.
Nice. So,
a little bit of salt.
Yeah, I love it. So, Nonna Pina, you're going to make fresh
Cannelloni.
So, there was an episode we did. Check it out. It's the how to make homemade pasta. In that video, you'll see how Nonna Pina made the dough for pasta, which is the same dough we're going to use today. So, we're not going to show you that, but she has that dough already ready to make cannelloni. And cannelloni are stuffed various ways, but today we're going to stuff them with these ingredients here. So stay tuned and enjoy. So, Nonna Pina, you failed to mention to me that you're doing another style of cannelloni as well. You're doing a meat-filled cannelloni. So, what did you put in the meat? This is a ground what? Beef?
Beef, yeah.
Anything else? Pork or just
No,
beef?
A little bit of pork, yeah.
So what, 70% beef, 30% pork?
Yeah.
Okay, and then what else did you put inside?
Cheese, eggs.
Cheese, how many eggs?
Two eggs.
2 eggs. How much meat? I mean, that looks like a bowl full of meat. So I would say that that's a good 3 cups of meat, which is fine. Okay, Nonna Pina. And what else did you put?
Prezzemolo.
Parsley?
Pepper. Black pepper.
Black pepper, yeah.
That's it.
Okay, so we're doing the meat-filled cannelloni, and you're going to show us what you do. You're going to mix this with some other stuff. I don't know what you're going to do, but you're going to show us. And we've got the cheese already. Okay, Nonna Pina. So you had that sauce going, beautiful tomato sauce, and we did the sheets for the cannelloni. And what are you gonna do now? Let's see.
Put a little bit of salt.